Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, your Discovery boss, and it's Rush for more reviews. So we're here with another update. We're on Port Royal Street. But first of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. If it's the first time you're seeing one of my videos, just join the family, subscribe, so you can see a lot more as well. Remember to turn on your post notification bell, so once I do a new upload, you're notified. Remember to leave a comment as well, and also like the video and share the video so that, you know, YouTube can recommend the video to other persons as well. So we are on Port Royal Street, as I mentioned, right next to the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. So we're doing a quick update on this project. It's the Port Royal Street Road Revetment project. So what they're doing is strengthening the coastline using boulders and a concrete barrier to, you know, break the waves and to prevent erosion as well. One of the things they'll be doing with this $950 million project, that's 950 million Jamaican. They'll also be making a jogging trail along the ocean. They also will have a fishing area as well. So it's a big project, 950 million. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. And I'm not sure if you can see that helicopter. It's a JDF helicopter, but there's a soldier suspended from it. It looks like they're doing some form of training. So there's a soldier on it. Okay. Alright, so yeah, so leave your comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this project. Let me know if you think it makes sense. Let me know what you think about the pace of the work as well. I think this is the 5th update I'm doing. I'll put the link for the very first video I did as well in the description and in the comments. I'm gonna go on the outside now and do a walk at the entire area so you guys can see. I won't do a lot of talking or narration because the wind out there is very heavy. So I'm just going to show you guys around. Leave your comments. We know it's right next to the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center as well. And a lot of persons saying that, you know, that's prime real estate. They should be relocated. There should be a, you know, multi-level ocean view apartment complex there or something. Leave your comments on that. I'm always asking for comments. So stay tuned. Let's go on the outside now and take a walk around. There are 2 persons suspended from that helicopter. Alright guys, so this is where the project is basically starting from. This is some drainage work. The wall looks a bit high as well. So I'm not sure if they will be raising the height of the road when they're finished. And I guess they'll have to build back this side of the roadway because where we're standing now was 3 lanes of road. So it's no more. So this is some drainage that they're fixing. So it's only 3 lanes now. And so as I mentioned, there'll be a fishing village, fishing area, and also a jogging trail. And then we have the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. Alright, just showing you guys some closer look. Alright, the JDF helicopter is coming back. So first they're laying the boulders, as you can see, and then the concrete reinforcement. So this is the Port Royal Street, downtown Kingston, coastal revetment project. It's a multi-million-dollar, 950 million Jamaican dollar project. As you can see, the concrete is a good thickness as well, so it can withstand, you know, strong waves and hurricane waves and stuff like that. And then I guess they're making different channels for drainage and stuff like that. Alright, let's go along the other side. And then we can see this area being boxed up for casting. Or probably it's already cast and now setting. It looks as if it's already cast. The Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. Should they be relocated? Let us know, guys. Alright, so it seems this section broke away. So they would have to do a lot of filling up here and reinforcement. And again, this was the roadway, 3 lanes on this side, 3 lanes on the other side. So they will have to build back the road when they're finished. But right here, seems as if it collapsed. So I guess this is exactly what they're trying to fix, where the ocean is coming in on the land, on the road. As you can see, you know, the pollution is always evident, a lot of bottles and stuff. This is another area that the concrete is already set. So again, Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment Project. Let's go over that end and we'll edit the video over that corner. I know they said this project will run straight back to the new Foreign Affairs building downtown. That's the tallest building you can see right there, the first one in the center. So just watching and waiting to see how far this project will run down towards the Victoria Pier. Alright, so let's go around the other side, guys. Alright, so this is the steel work, and I guess this is how they want to do the drainage going back out to the sea. So this is the drainage going back out in the sea. Again, the JDF helicopter, I guess they're doing some training exercise. Alright guys, so we're almost at the end where they have reached, so let's go to that section now. For some sections, the walls seem much higher than other sections, so not sure, you know, how much they're gonna raise the height of the road by. And guys, if you have any more information on this project in terms of, you know, raising of the height of the road or other information that I may not have, definitely let me know in the comment section. And if you have any properties that you guys have a connection with or a link with and you want me to check out, definitely let me know in the comments as well. So my email is in the description, and you can comment as well, and we can have a discussion. If you have a property you want me to cover, or if you have a connection with a property, a link with a property. And again, guys, if you want to donate to the channel, donations go towards the purchase of a drone. You can do that as well. So remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share and subscribe. Let's go at the corner right there. Alright, so this is where the project has reached. Based on what I heard, I think they should be going around this corner and go closer to the Victoria Pier down there. Yeah, way down that side. But let's watch and see. I'll try as best to do regular updates on this project for you guys, so you guys can see all that's happening. And again, we're coming from way over that side. Way over there. So this is the existing structure. There's a canal that I'm standing on, a little bridge. So, wow, look at those debris. Those are bottles and stuff washing down the canal. A lot of recycling opportunity there. So they're finishing right here. So I don't know if they'll go beyond this point and go closer to Victoria Pier, but I guess in due time we'll find out. So that's the canal over there. And again, this is where they are. Alright guys, so see you on the other update, see you on the next update.